I can imitate Mandela's voice.
Ulwazi.
I can imitate Mandela's voice.
Boy.
Ubani umuntu ofuna wangathu
Ulwazi ngathi hi.
Amna ngithi boy.
Hayi uboy.
Uboy ne?
Hayi obvious.
Asathi silwazi.
Uthi Lwazi. So boy 2 Lwazi 1, boy wena uthi ubani? Kama mnandi ungaliphinda kabili. Hayi na.
Uba.
Hayi, umi.
Kawente ngonje.
Awenza silalele.
Today
Hayibo.
we are here talking about Mkhaya podcast. It is very important that everyone is supposed to gather around Mkhaya podcast. We shoot and we premiere every Sunday at 11 o'clock. What you need to do? Ukuti you must subscribe. Because there is no other podcast that talks about the culture like the Mkhaya podcast. I thank you.
Speaking about